Hey, what is up guys? It's Mikey, and yes, I'm here with the box right over here. No, this isn't the pickups video, but it is coming soon, so don't worry. I have all these packages all like back here and everything like that. But I am going to be doing a shoe review of a good shoe that's been really talked about a lot lately, that's been making a lot of noise. So much noise that my friend actually got the pair before I did. So we're gonna get right into this shoe. So we have the box right over here. You guys already know what probably this shoe is. It has the Jordan 1 box, black Nike box with the Nike red logo on it. If you notice, this is a size 11.5, so this actually isn't even my shoe. It's my friend's shoe, but he wants me to do a review on it, so I'm going to do so. So let's just start right now. And sadly, he left everything dead stock, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys an on-foot video of these, but I will go in depth with the shoe and how and why it's a really great shoe. Possibly a contender for best shoe of 2019. So right over here, you have Retiro Green 1s. So if you have noticed, these have been making a lot of noise this year lately. I guess it's about the quality of the shoe, even the consistency of the shoe, the colorway, everything about this shoe is just really great. He got it off of StockX, so he has the little verified tag. And this shoe does come with blue and purple laces, as well as just having a really cool distressed kind of suede look to it. My first initial thoughts on the shoe was I wasn't really feeling it at first. I was actually kind of having doubts about this shoe, and I was just in the whims of just like saying like, no, I don't really like the shoe. It looks like the UNC ones, but it's not, and I don't like the writing on the side, and I was just going in on the shoe and not liking it. But actually seeing these in person, I really like it. Like, it's not a bad shoe at all. It looks really dope to me. It's just, I like the concept of this shoe. The leather is actually really good on this shoe. I like everything about this. The sail kind of midsole, I wouldn't even really call it sail. It looks like it's back from like the 90s, 80s kind of. It has that retro vibe to it. It's the yellow oxidized kind of midsole. And then you have the gray sole on the bottom to contrast with the whole shoe. I really like what they did with this. The destroyed kind of distressed kind of suede. It's not like buttery soft, but it's a little rough, but it just looks super dope. I like how they did that. And I don't know if you guys noticed this, but the tag on the tongue is actually the Nike Air's yellow and purple contrasting colors. Really dope. My friend actually mentioned that he got kind of like Lakers vibes to this, and I was like, yo, it's pretty dope. I would never think that purple and yellow would actually go really well with this kind of light blue suede. I would never think that. The only thing I would really change about this shoe is that I wish it also came with yellow laces, because I feel like yellow laces would look super dope with this shoe. You can mix match them, yellow, purple, blue, yellow, blue, purple, whatever you want to do. White laces don't look bad as well, so I would keep the white laces as well. But if I ever do feel like going crazy, I would mix and match. Also, another thing that turned me off about this shoe is that it has the writing on the base of the shoe, and it does say Spring 19 Air Jordan 1 High OG. So cool. Like, I didn't know that. It was just something that really wasn't needed on the shoe. They really could have gone away with this thing like completely, and then it still would be a fire shoe. Like I said before from my past videos, that's a Virgil thing. Let it be a Virgil thing only. Don't put it on every other shoe. It doesn't make it super dope. It makes it look corny at this point. Just leave it. Let that be an off-white thing, and that is that. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. We don't need to have writing on a shoe. We know what the shoe is. Another thing that my friend actually told me about the shoe that I never noticed was the tongue. Actually, if you really look into the detail, it's almost like it's being like cut, but I guess that's the concept they're actually going for on the shoe, which I didn't even notice at all when looking at these, and I was like, yo, that makes the shoe even doper. It's like the shoe was meant to be an older model shoe with, like, destroyed suede and then the oxidized yellow midsole and then the cut tongue. It's like it's meant to be given as a vintage retro vibe. So that's what I really liked about the shoe as well. They really spent time on how they were gonna make this and how they went about it, and said, we're gonna make a vintage retro one, and they did a pretty good job on doing it. Kudos to you, JB. You did a really good job on this shoe. This can possibly contend for 2019 best shoe of the year. And sadly, like I said before, as far as doing anything with the shoe, he doesn't want me to do anything. I can't lace them, I can't untie them, I can't do anything. He wants them to be left dead stock, so I was like, yo, you have my word, I'm not gonna do anything to the shoe. So I can't make an on-feet footage for you guys, but I hope you do like this video. I hope you like this review because this shoe is really great. And JB did a really good job on this shoe. And that pretty much ends up my video. You guys can like, comment, subscribe, and also leave a like if you got this drop right here because I didn't. I slept on it. And drop a comment to say, yo Mike, why you tripping? These are hella fire. Why didn't you cop? But it is what it is. I am eventually going to get a pair of these, but not right now because I just picked up a lot of stuff and I'm hoping to do it in the next video. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. And do not forget to subscribe to the Team O Freak. I'll leave a link in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Let me see you zero. My grandpa told me let them see you zero. Yeah, these hills got some mind, but he wants some. Yeah, that I mean, cause they can't clock you in the time. My uncle said, let me see you zero. My grandpa told me let them see you zero.